All right, all right, all right. It's January 21st. That's a Friday. Everybody's working for the weekend. Yeah, so we had to jump into this pretty quick. BBIG, I think we're just going to try and take this as fast as humanly possible. Try and get some good, maybe just get any money out of it. Gonna protect really tight here with a super tight stop, and we'll get stopped out. Now that was a $24 win. That, I'm gonna try it, and I'm gonna just do it and do it and do it. Stop was too tight. Well, $24 profit, but look, if you look at the chart, it's too tight. Shit. Well, we're gonna try it again if it hits it. So crazy. Take your 24 bucks. Close that position. Take 24 bucks. We didn't make anything on that really because we had a $10 round trip on that, so that was $14 of profit. Well, it's take the money and run. It's not what you trade, it's how you trade. We do this in real time, every time. Like, share, subscribe. Hit your subscription and ringing the notification bell. Giving us a thumbs up, you won't get your high fives. Until next time, everybody. 24 bucks, 24 bucks. Gotta be quick, you gotta be nimble, you gotta be ever so special to jump over the candlestick. I don't know what else we can write in that. Keep your fucking eyes open.